Okay, so after 7 days, I finally found a train station stamp. I'm here at Ueno Station, and I'm gonna get my stamp finally. I think it's only a JR line thing. So faint. I'm a happy camper. Let's go. It's a little wet today, so I'm announcing that today is Museum Day. Rodan. This is the Tokyo Museum of Western Art. I'm looking forward to seeing some of the awesome pieces in there. Yeah. It's time for some Japanese crepes. Yeah. Here we go. So good. It's awesome. Savory or sweet. I'm at Aoyamadori, right in front of the local coffee stand. I'm here, so I'm gonna sketch this cute little coffee place right now. I met some of these guys at the Singapore Coffee Festival 2016, and I sampled some of their coffee. So I'm here right now to try out their other menu. I'm having a chai latte. I pass by this street filled with eateries every day, and this one round the corner catches my eye each time, and I told myself I gotta do a night sketch. Tori Jiro. It's a chicken place, I think. I've not eaten in there. I think the facade looks really awesome at night, so gonna make it happen. So here I am at the beginning of my sketch. I'm about 40 meters away from this building. The only reason why I'm at this location painting that building is because of the light. There's this light source that's coming from this bicycle parking lot, and I think they close at 2300 hours. That's 11 o'clock. So I have to finish my painting real quick because it's 8:30. Yeah. So here we go. I'm laying down the basic shapes that I see. It's a two-story building. Okay, so I'm done with the drawing stage. I'm gonna throw in the colors now. There's not much colors going on in there because this is a night scene, and a lot of the area within the canvas is dark. So let's try to figure this out. So nearly halfway. I just want to say that many people pass by and give me stuff to cheer me on, I guess, to keep me going. And I just received this new, never ever happened before. I got a can of Asahi Super Dry from one of the locals that live around this area. How cool. Okay, so before the lights go off at this bicycle parking lot, let me continue that scene. So there we go, 11 o'clock, and I think I'm pretty much done with this sketch. Okay, so I've added the local colors down. I'm gonna take a quick break. Remember to like this video. Yeah. Don't know what else to say. It's a time of night.